With SigmaNEST and SigmaMRP at the forefront of everything we do at Steel Dynamics, it really speaks to what we're about. We're service orientated. You know, most people can't wait a long time for their parts, so those two packages combined are really powerful.
Steel Dynamics Limited, we specialise in the supply of stainless steels to industry, and the cutting methods that we use are laser, plasma, precision plasma and waterjet cutting.
Steel Dynamics was really formed to address some of the issues in the stainless steel industry. There's a lot of service issues with a lot of our competitors, so what we have done is tried to implement some systems and really drive efficiencies in-house to deliver to our customers a much better service than our competition. Right from the minute a customer inquires with us, we go straight into SigmaNEST. We'll get their bill of materials, their list of parts, and we'll either draw them, or if a customer actually sends us their own files, we'll pull those parts right into SigmaNEST. We'll create the parts and we'll nest them to get the best yield possible and therefore the best price. At that point we'll then convert it into MRP, and the quote is very clear, very concise. We've even got an image of the customer's part that we're potentially cutting for them, and we can email that right from the desktop.
The reason why we also chose SigmaMRP to work along with SigmaNEST is we wanted an integrated system throughout the business. We can get great material usage from SigmaNEST, but that carries instantly through into SigmaMRP.
We chose SigmaMRP over a variety of other software manufacturers because of its speed and its efficiency. The information that's gleaned is so crisp and clear. You know, the minute an order comes in, it's literally the click of a button, and all the hard work at the quote stage has been done.
This is a key feature as we see it in true material usage costs. The integration of MRP and SigmaNEST is a very intrinsic point of our business.